In this video, I am going to share a fascinating research with you in the realm of coding through LLMs. MagiCoder has introduced a series of large language models or LLMs for code generation, excelling in a range of coding benchmarks. It's a new approach which uses open source code snippets for high quality data generation. The problem which this project is trying to address is the issue of bias in synthetic data generated by LLMs. This bias limits the diversity and realism of the data, impacting the quality of machine learning models. Solution, as I said earlier, is quite novel. These researchers, whose names are here, they developed OSS Instruct, which is a method to integrate open source code into LLMs. This approach enriches synthetic instruction data, leading to more diverse and realistic outputs. They combined this with existing methods to create an enhanced MagiCoder model. And the results are outstanding. But before I tell you about the results, just look at this example. So what is happening is we have these open source code bases, and then we are sending code snippet as an example with a prompt to the LLM, and you can see that the prompt is instructing this LLM that please gain inspiration from code snippet to create a high quality programming problem. And then there is a generated problem from this code snippet and this prompt, and then LLM generates a solution which is very closer to the reality, but more importantly it is of very high quality. MagiCoder has already outperformed the top code models, including surpassing ChatGPT on Human Eval Plus. So the score of MagiCoder was 66.5, whereas ChatGPT's score was 65.9. It also has demonstrated superior performance in Python text to code generation, multilingual coding, and also data science program completion. There is a lot of nuggets to be picked up from this paper, and I'll drop the link in video's description so that you can read along. I hope that you like this. If you have any questions or any thoughts, let me know. And soon I'll also be showing you how you can get this MagiCoder installed locally on your system and play around with it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.